SuperEX limited airdrop celebration month. Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a very big update on SuperEX. SuperEX is an exchange platform where you buy crypto, you sell crypto, and you earn for that. That is one of the reasons I always share with you guys on this project different ways to earn money for yourself. And this another important opportunity, guys. If you are a good trader, then you can leverage on this and make more for yourself. Now, the SuperEX 100% airdrop season is here. Get 100% weekly airdrop of trending token and enjoy the excitement of airdrop reward. So guys, it means you're going to enjoy airdrop reward on this platform just for trading on this platform, and it's a very good one. Starting November 8th, SuperEX officially launches the 100% airdrop season, offering massive airdrop every week, guys. You can leverage on this and enjoy this huge amount of money for yourself on this platform. And the rule is very simple. The airdrop season will be conducted in 4 phases, each feature different airdrop products. The total amounts allocated for each week is fixed. So it means the amount of money of airdrop of token you earn on this platform is fixed. If you take a look at what is there, guys, you're going to enjoy more on this platform. You can see it here. You're going to get 10,000 USDT weekly share from this airdrop, which is very good. So what you need to do, guys, is to trade on this platform, accumulate your trade on this platform. That is what you have to do. First of all, guys, you have to create an account with SuperEX. If you are a good trader and you want to leverage on this opportunity, guys, it's a very good opportunity for you. And if you are an older user, guys, you can leverage on this. But guys, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Now tap on the link in the video description, provide your information in the space provided, and set up your account. Once your account has been created, guys, verification on SuperEX is very super easy. Tap on verify button to verify your account. Log into this platform. Once you log into the platform, guys, pay attention to the banner that comes up here. Then you will see an information about the airdrop. Once the information comes up about the airdrop, then tap on it and you start this. Now here is the information. Then tap on this particular banner you see on the screen here. Once you tap on this banner, then it brings to this interface. So you have to wait for this page to fully load up. Now that it's fully load up, then go ahead and tap on this register button, because if you do not tap on this register button, the system will not recognize your registration. But once you tap on the register button, you see register as successful, then come back to this place. Now after that, if you don't have any USDT on your account, you need to deposit your USDT on this platform, which is very simple. Then to do so, guys, go ahead and tap on this asset button. Once tap on the asset button, it comes up like this. Now you have it here. Go ahead and tap on this deposit button. On tapping on the deposit button, it comes up like this. Then in the search section here, type in USDT or any token you want to deposit, but majorly I go for USDT because USDT is what you need here. Tap on USDT. Once tap on USDT, it comes up like this, guys. Then you have access to this network. I mean BNB, Tron, Avalanche, ARC, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Send your USDT to any of this network, and once your USDT has been added to this platform, the next thing, guys, is to come back to this place and trade. Just like any other exchange you have outside, tap on this market button. Once you tap on the market button here, then it comes up like this. Now you have different options here. Go ahead and tap on this feature trade. We are going for feature trade. Tap on this feature button. Once you tap on the feature button, guys, it comes up like this. Then go ahead and tap on this point that says trade. Once you tap on this trade button, then it comes up like this. You have access to this features trading. This is how the feature trading on SuperEX looks like, and you can see that it's similar to all other exchanges, and this is super easy and super friendly. Now tap on this place to select your trading pair. Yes, select your trading pairs. Tap on this place, guys, to select your trading system, either isolated or cross margin. But guys, I always go for isolated because it make my money more safer. Now that you tap on the tap on confirm, then don't forget to tap on this button where you see 3x. Once tap on this button, guys, here you need to select your leverages, so you can select between 3 and 5 leverages, guys. When it comes to crypto, don't be greedy. Now tap on it and tap on OK. Now that I've done that, the next thing now is to come over to this place and select what you want to do. You can see it here. Either you buy on limit, you buy on market. So for the sake of this video, I will talk about limit and market as quick as we can. We have limit and we have market here. So once, let me talk about market first. Market means you want to buy at the current price of any token, and the current price of BTC is 81,398 plus. That is current price of BTC. So once you enter the market here and you enter the amount of USDT you want to invest into this place, then the amount of BTC you earn will come up in the space provided, or you can lay your hand and drag from here to use certain amount of your USDT. Then you tap on buy. Then if you want to buy as well on the limit button gives you access to trade at your own convenient price. For example, you see that the price of BTC is 81,000. You may decide that the price of BTC is coming down or go up. You enter the price you want to buy here. The amount of USDT you want to invest, you enter it here. Then you place your order. So when the market is at the price you selected, the system will initiate your order. That is on how to do that. Now, in case you want to do what is called spot trading, come over to this place as well, tap on it. Once you tap on this place, then go to main market and tap on main market. Once you tap on main market, then come over to this place and tap on this trade button again. Once you tap on the trade button, it comes up like this. So as you can see that the interface has changed. Now you buy and trade on spot trading here. Similar to that, here you need to buy at lower price and sell at lower price. The same process also occur here. We have the limit price market and we have the market order. So you repeat the same process and start earning on this platform. So guys, this is just a simple process on what I want you guys on this platform and earn from this amazing airdrop. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, tap on the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.